Now I will explain how to draw the root locus graph. In last video we have discussed regarding how to solve the root locus problem. Now we shall draw the graph for that. So what are the poles? You can observe here. Poles are s equals to 0, s equals to -3 and -1 plus j, -1 minus j. So I have marked the first. You need to know that zeros we will mark like this and poles we mark like this. So s equals to 0, s equals to -3, s equals to -1 plus j, s equals to -1 minus j. Okay, so you need to mark +1 +2 +3 and -1 -2 -3. This is the imaginary axis and this is the real axis. Okay, so after marking the poles, next you need to mark the centroid. Okay, -1.25. This is the -1.25. After marking the centroid, so you need to keep the protector like this on the centroid point. Next, we got the angle. How much we got the angle? Theta 1 is 45. Okay, so first you need to mark the angle 45. You can observe here. I have marked a dot. First you mark a dot. Okay, 45 I have marked. Next, what is the angle here? We have the theta 2 is 135. Okay, so next is 135. So you can observe here 135. I have put a dot, that is 135. Here it is. Okay, after marking theta 1 and theta 2, next you make it the reverse. Okay, because we have the theta 3 and 4 also. So theta 3 value is, we got that 225. In this protector 180 degree plus 45. Plus 45 means you can observe here this is a 45. Here you will get. Okay, next you have 315. You cannot mark a 315. So 270 plus 45 you will get 315. So 270 means you will get here plus, that is 45. Okay, so here it will be. So this will be the 315. Or else you can observe here this will be the 270, 280, 290, 300, again 315. Okay, like that you can mark. So 270 plus 45 I have considered, so 315, like that I have marked. Okay, so you can mark. After marking this centroid, after marking centroid points, you need to draw the dashed lines. Okay, so theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4. Next you need to mark the breakaway point. So how much we got the breakaway point? So it is in the step 5. So you can observe it is from step 5 we got the breakaway point is s equals to -2.288. Okay, so where it is in between here. Okay, 2.25 means here you will get. So 2.28 it is. 2.5 is this one. So 2.28 somewhat here. Okay, so this is the breakaway point. You can write breakaway point. Okay, this is a breakaway point. -2.288. Okay, after marking this, so one pole is flowing like this and the 0 pole is flowing like this, and here it is breaking. So here it is moving from like this, it is terminating like this. So -3 pole is coming like this and 0 pole is also coming like this, and here it is breakaway. Okay, so here it is breakaway and one will flow like this, one will terminate at infinity like this, another one will terminate like this, infinity. Okay, now 2 poles are terminated at infinity, still 2 poles, that is complex poles, are left. So So now the for complex poles, we have found out the angle of departure. So what we got for -1 plus j is minus 71.56. Okay. So you mark the angle by keeping here -1 plus j. So this is the -1 plus j. So you need to mark the -71. So from like this you need to come. So here somewhat here you'll get. Okay. This is the minus 71.56. And join this line. Okay. So remember like this and make a line. Okay. Clearly you need to mark the same for the -1 minus j. So for -1 minus j, what we got the angle of departure plus 71.56. So where you will get? So you will get here. Okay. You mark it here. So you can observe. I have marked. This is the angle. You can write 71 minus 71.56. This is angle of departure for what? -1 plus j. Okay. Next you can mark the similar, that is 71 point. You can draw like this. Okay. Dotted lines. By keeping like this, you can draw the I have marked minus 71.56. This is the arrow mark, and plus 71.56 for the -1 minus j. This is the point. Now, so this coordinates, that is -1 plus j. So it will come here and it will terminate it like this. What is the intersection with the imaginary axis? What we have found out in the step 6. So that is, we got that s equals to plus or minus j 1.095. That you mark. Okay, 1.095 like this. So similarly, plus or minus it is. So plus j 1.095 minus j 1.095 you need to mark. Okay, you need to write the j 1.095 here. Similarly, minus j 1.095. Okay, so you need to, the points will come like this, -1 plus j, and it should terminate like this. It should join this line and it will terminate to the infinity. So complex pole is coming like this and it is terminating to the infinity point. Similarly here. Okay, so this is, you should join this line plus 71. Okay, it should be joined to this point. It is terminating like this to infinity. So this is the root locus problem.